Today we're going to be looking at 4 houses for sale in Jamaica. House number 1. This is a 6-bedroom 4-bathroom house located in Rosevale in Montego Bay, St. James. The size of this house is approximately 3,600 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 45 million Jamaican dollars. We're going to move from here and go on the inside. First up, we have the living area. Dining area. And this is the kitchen. We're then going to move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom, and this is a fourth bedroom. This house has 6 bedrooms in all, however only 4 of the 6 were shown. Up next are the bathrooms. The first bathroom, second bathroom, and this is a third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. Next, we have the laundry area, and followed by that is the balcony. We then move from here and head back on the outside where we have the gazebo and also the hot tub. And that would be the end of house number 1. House number 2. Now this is a 4-bedroom 4-bathroom house located in the community of River Oaks in Ocho Rios, St. Anne. The size of this house is approximately 1,541 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of $300,000 US. Let's go on the inside. We have the veranda. We have the living area. Unfortunately for the dining area, there were no images provided. Next, we have the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is a third bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. Up next are the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. And this is a third bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 3 out of the 4 were shown. And that would be the end of house number 2. House number 3. This 7-bedroom 5-bathroom house is located in Barnstaple in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 3,500 square feet and is for sale at a cost of $275,000 US. Let's take a closer look. We have the veranda. We then move on to the first living area, second living area, and this is the dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. And we then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, Third bedroom. Fourth bedroom. And this is the fifth bedroom. This house has 7 bedrooms, however only 5 out of the 7 were shown. We then have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom. And this is the fourth bathroom. Out of the 5 bathrooms that this house has in all, only 4 out of the 5 were shown. Next up we have the garage. And that will then end house number 3. House number 4. This 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is located on Buena Vista Drive in Mandeville, Manchester. The size of this house is approximately 3,000 square feet and is for sale at a cost of 45 million Jamaican dollars. As we move from the front of the property, we head on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Unfortunately for the kitchen, there were no images provided. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 6 bedrooms, however only 1 out of the 6 were shown. Up next is the bathroom. This house has 4 bathrooms, however only 1 out of the 4 is being shown. Lastly, we have the laundry area. And that would end house number 4. This also brings us to the end of the tour, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were previously shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.